Up next, Bucks County, Lower Makefield, executive luxury condo. All the bells and whistles, luxury at its finest, available May 1st. Check out this tour real quick. Come on inside. Welcome to 13202 Cornerstone Drive in Lower Makefield. This amazing, spacious, and gracious, awesome location is available. Gigantic living room, open area to a dining room as well. That's a real log burning fireplace. Modern amenities, island kitchen with granite. Lots of outlets for convenience. All new cabinetry, modern appliances as well. This natural beauty is adored and adorned by natural southern exposure in this fantastic Cornerstone community. Engineered flooring as well, super nice, clean, modern, easy breezy. Master bedroom flows nicely right off the kitchen area. Vaulted ceilings, walk-in closet, and a fantastic redone bathroom as well. This turnkey home is available for rent for $2,500 in the heart of Lower Makefield. Master bedroom has its own private deck, which is a beauty as well. Moving right along, feel the spaciousness of this wide open layout. This community comes with a clubhouse, pool, also has trails close to everything, brand new Wegmans right down the street, and more. Hallway bath is gorgeous as well, full, completely redone, etc. In addition, second bedroom, engineering floors as well, even comes with a TV. Entertain in style with this lovely, modern, contemporary second floor unit. So you come up the stairs, once inside, easy breezy. Again, it's available for $2,500. Actually below market rental. It's a win. This gorgeous home is available May 1st. It's got everything you need and more. It's an end unit, ample parking. It's a winner. So for more information on this gorgeous luxury condo in Lower Makefield, Bucks County, call Joe Ganter today, 267-342-0511. You'll be glad you did. Talk to you soon.